I've been managing visitor experience here at the Hyde Park Barracks for some years, and it's always been a frustration to me the fact that we get a lot of older people who have mobility issues and they're unable to go to the top 2 floors of the museum.
A number of locations were looked at to place a lift. The southern hall of the Hyde Park Barracks was identified as the best location. Some of the early works to get the site ready for the lift included archaeology.
We took back the floorboards and dug up the earth underneath and archaeologists very painstakingly uncovered some small artefacts from that area. It was an important part of the project to ensure we weren't going to damage anything of consequence.
Works undertaken so far have included concrete pins to underpin the building itself, excavation down to the finished level, pouring of a concrete lift pit, installation of the steel lift shaft.
As the requirement to install this structure through a door opening that is 1.1 metres wide by 2.4 metres high, the structure itself being 14 metres tall by 2.8 metres wide, is very challenging to say the least.
Being a UNESCO World Heritage-listed building, we had to make sure that everything we did was reversible. The lift is fully supported off the concrete lift pit.
The amount of infrastructure that is put in place to protect a building of this calibre is monumental. There has been a significant number of hours, days, weeks and months, even years spent on the design of this lift structure. Relying on the design team as far as the builder goes is quite significant. We can only measure everything that we can to get it in where we should, and we only had 5mm play between a heritage door and a 7.5 metre, 700 kilo steel member. The project is forecast to be complete by the end of August, and it'll be something that, as with all my projects, I'll be very proud of, but on a project of this calibre will be incredible.
We're really excited to see this significant project completed. It will give everyone equitable access to the upper levels of the museum.
Can't wait for it to be operational and really want to see the public getting in there and going up and experience the whole of the museum using this wonderful new piece of infrastructure we're putting in.